Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to today's vlog. I look kind of crazy because I just woke up, but I'm eating breakfast. I'm eating this big, oh, there's Milo, hi. I'm eating this fruit bowl with yogurt at the bottom. Then I have my black coffee, so good. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along on what I do today, but fueling up first. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Hi guys, so done with breakfast. I'm gonna clean my apartment and I'm gonna tidy up a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along. So yeah, let's get to it. Hey guys, so it's a couple of hours later. I still look a mess. Sorry, I've been like cleaning left and right. I'm at my room. I'm almost done cleaning that, and then I think I'm gonna have lunch. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Whoa. Hi guys, so we are on our way to Chick-fil-A. We got the boys in their onesies in the back. They're so cute. Miss West and Milo's back there. So yeah, gonna take a nice ride. It's actually nice out, like it's not too sunny. It's 56 degrees, which isn't bad. So yeah, gonna go to Chick-fil-A and see you guys there. Hey guys, so made it to Chick-fil-A. I'll show you guys what I got. So I got the #1 deluxe with American cheese, and I got fries. It's my like favorite order. I also got sweet tea. Oh my god, so good. Really good. So yeah, I'm gonna eat here. We always eat like in the parking lot because we bring the boys with us, and obviously they can't come inside, and Chick-fil-A is kind of far from us, so we make a little drive out of it. So yeah, I'm gonna eat and I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, so we are now taking the pups on a little mini hike. We are by the George Washington Bridge, if you can see it over there. Pretty cool. So yeah, we're by the water, taking the little pups on a little walk, getting some fresh air because it's not that cold out. So yeah, all right guys, see you later. So we just got back. Now I think we're just gonna hang, do some laundry, and relax. We're catching up on the show The Act. I don't know if you guys have watched it, but it's really good. So we're just catching up because we missed a couple. I think the past 2 weeks I think we missed. So we're just catching up on that, and yeah, we're just gonna relax. So I'll catch you guys later. Hi guys, good morning. So today is Sunday. I'm wearing my Sunday Funday hat. So yeah, right now we're gonna go and get breakfast, And yeah, I think I'm gonna run a couple errands today. I'll let you guys know. I'll obviously take you guys along. So yeah, let's start today. Hi guys, so change of plans. We actually ended up going grocery shopping because we woke up early and we're like, let's just go and do it early so we beat the shoppers craziness of the day. So we did that, got grocery stuff, which I'm very happy about because that's done. So now we're actually gonna go get breakfast. I think Steven wants McDonald's for breakfast. I kind of don't want McDonald's for breakfast, but I think we're gonna get Dunkin' coffees, which I haven't had in a while and I do want. So yeah, and then I think I want to run a couple errands later on in the day. So yeah, stay tuned. It's a very chill day. It's Sunday. It's very gloomy out today. All my stuff got done yesterday, which I'm excited about. So yeah, see you later. Hi guys, so I'm on my way to Marshall's now. I'm gonna grab a couple things. Yeah, I'm just gonna, oh shoot. Okay. I'm just gonna grab a couple things, see what I end up finding there. I'm gonna go get like a bigger, like a blender, kind of like a NutriBullet, and I want to get I think I want to get some coasters, and there was something else, a hairbrush, because my hairbrush broke a couple minutes ago, so I need a new hairbrush. And yeah, I think that's all I want to get. Obviously if I go in there and I find something I like, I'm gonna get that too, but yeah, so right now there's just a couple things that I want to get. So yeah, let's take a ride to Marshall's. Alright guys, so I just got out of Marshall's and I found a couple things, but not what I was like initially going there for. So I have a a TJ Maxx close to me, well, close to this Marshall's. So I'm gonna go there now, see if I can find what I'm looking for. I told you guys, like the kind of NutriBullet, blender, or the Ninja blender, whatever that is, like a mini one. So that's what I'm on the hunt for. So hopefully TJ Maxx has it, because I couldn't find anything at Marshall's, but I did buy a couple of things, just like little essential things that I needed. I'll show you guys when I get home. So yeah, just gonna go to TJ Maxx really quick. You have a stop, sir, and I do not. TJ Maxx kind of looks full. Ugh. I hate going places on Sundays because it is, or on the weekends in general, because everything is so full and packed. If I go somewhere, I like to go early when no one's there. So like this morning when I went food shopping, not a lot of people were there and it was great. I was able to actually move my cart without like bumping into anybody, and it was just really nice. But yeah, so right now it's like around, right now it's like around 1 o'clock. So everybody's out getting their stuff for like the week or whatever. So that is that. So, you know, gotta deal with the people, but that's fine, because I barely go out anyway. So yeah. What I also like is that like where this Marshall's is, the TJ Maxx is literally like across the other shopping center. I don't know how to explain it, but they're super close. So just driving there, getting my stuff. And I think the way TJ Maxx is laid out is like a little bit better than Marshall's. I feel like my Marshall's is like a little too overcrowded and packed, and like I can't really move my cart in the aisles, and that drives me nuts because I basically have to pick up my cart to turn it, and I don't like to do that. Oh, actually, I found a spot. Let's park my baby over here. Oy. I get so scared when people park so close. I feel like not gonna be good. Okay, I'm just fixing myself. What? I see. Oh my god, this lady is crazy. Dear Lord. She beat me for no reason. I'm literally just going straight, not even going into her. And she just beeped at me. And she looked at me like if I was gonna hit her. And I looked at her like, lady, I'm not gonna hit you. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna reposition myself. Sorry, I'm getting a little red because that was insane. Oh, lovely. This guy's gonna park over here. All right, guys, TTYL. Okay guys, so I just got out of Marshall's. I picked up a couple things. Some stuff that I needed, again, some stuff that I didn't. I picked up a brush. I told you guys my brush broke, so I got a new brush, $3, awesome. And then I ended up picking some athletic wear that I didn't need, but I needed. So I'm like, you know, kind of okay. And then I picked up, it was like last minute, so my boyfriend's mom is coming for Mother's Day next week, 2 weeks from now, I think. So I saw this literally like on the line to check out. It was like a cute necklace that said mom on it with a heart. And that was like literally last minute. I was like, oh, whatever. I should just get it because then I hate like going around last minute looking for gifts for people. So I was like, okay, perfect. I have it here, then I don't have to rush and do anything last minute. So I picked that up, and yeah, I mean, I'm so upset because I didn't find that blender thing that I wanted, but that's okay because I found it on Amazon for 40 bucks, so I'm gonna pick it up. Well, I'm gonna order it on Amazon, and then now, I don't know if you guys heard, but Prime is now like 1-day shipping, which is great, so I should be getting it. If I order it today, maybe tomorrow. It just depends on like the time you order, I think. So there's that, and yeah, I'm on my way home now. I'm not that hungry, so we'll see what I end up eating. And yeah, I think I'm gonna go home, show you guys what I got, and then I'm going to film some videos because I need to get those up for you guys, and oh shoot. And then just get ready for the week, meal prep for the week, make sure everything's tidy, and then relax, and yeah. Alright guys, so I'll see you when I get home. Bye. Okay guys, so I'm home, so I went to do a little quick mini haul of the stuff that I got. So yeah, it's like a bunch of random stuff, but I thought that some of the stuff was cool and some stuff I needed, so I'm gonna show you. Okay, so first I found these cool hangers. They were a set of 25. They're just like this beige color with the gold hardware, which I liked, and they were only $9.99, which was awesome. Oh, hi Wes, my little baby. He's so cute. He's wearing his PJs. So cute. So yeah, so I got these, 25 of these. So I thought that was a great deal. And then I got these. These are like kitchen towels, and they were 2 of them, sets of 2, for how much? $5.99, which I thought was great. I really like the pattern and the color, really pretty. I also found this cool thing. It's like a mitt to like get this, like, you know what I mean, so you don't like burn your hand. It's kind of cute. It's like mini, and it was on sale for $3, so I was like, why not? Thought this was cool. Another home thing is this scrub brush. It comes with like a little stand where you can put the brush head in it, and it was on sale for $4.99. And then yeah, it's so cute. It comes in like other colors, but I like the neutral color. Really cool. So I guess to get me excited to do dishes, hopefully, because I hate doing dishes. And then I picked up another dry shampoo because I was running low. This is the Batiste dry shampoo. If you haven't tried it, you need it. It is the best dry shampoo in the world, and it was on sale for $8.99, and I got the really big one, so it lasts me a while. And then I ended up buying this baking sheet. It's just this nice long one. How long is it, or how big is it? I don't know, it doesn't say, but I just like grill up veggies here, or cookies, or anything else that I need. I just put it on here, and it's like non-stick, so I like that. And I also picked up this candle. It's by DW Home. It says Peaceful. It's water lily, and it was on sale for $9.99. It smells amazing. I absolutely love it. And then the best gummies in the world, literally world's best gummies. These are the gourmet gummies, and they're 14 flavored gummies. Really cute packaging. It's like in this bear thing. And then let me show you guys what I got from TJ Maxx. I told you guys I picked up a brush because mine broke. This is the wet dry brush. It was on sale for $3.99, so I picked that up. I also picked up this cute little top that I could wear for like work or anything in spring. Super cute, feminine. It has a little tie right here. So I picked that up. And then I picked up some workout stuff. So this cute little workout top. I like this color. It's like a baby mint. And then some sports bras for a set of 2. So this baby powder blue and a black one. And then the back was kind of cool. So it's like this. And then just some gray pair of leggings because I don't have this color. I always have black. So I thought this would be really nice. And yeah, that's all I picked up in my little quick trip to Marshall's and TJ Maxx. So I'm making lunch slash dinner. I'm making chicken frit and cheese. I'm just grabbing a skillet. Sorry, bad timing. Hold on one second. Okay, so making chicken frit and cheese. I have all my ingredients here, the chicken, the eggs, the flour, all that good stuff. So yeah, and then I'm gonna eat. So I'm gonna prep this stuff, make it, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so I have the chicken cooking in that pot, and then I have the linguine cooking in this one. So I'm just waiting for these two to be done, and I will have lunch ready. Okay guys, so dinner is served. Chicken frit and cheese with linguine. It looks so good. I just put it in a plastic plate because it makes it for easy cleanup. And then I have a glass of wine, so cheers. Okay guys, so dinner is done. That was so good. Yeah, so dinner was good. So yeah, now I'm just having my glass of wine and I'm gonna watch a movie, relax, probably have a little chocolate treat or something, but later on, not right now because I'm so full. But yeah, if I don't see you guys, I will see you guys in the next vlog. Thank you for joining me on this weekend of mine. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.